Hey, Zach here from digitalconstructive.com, and in this video, we're going to be taking a quick look at how you're going to pass your C-27 license exam. Now, the C-27 landscaping contractor exam is going to be broken up into a few different sections. There'll be a section on planning and estimation, construction preparation, hardscape installation, drainage, irrigation, lighting and plant installation, maintenance and repair, and of course, safety. Now, the law and business exam that you'll be required to pass is going to be broken up into different sections, including business organization, business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, public works, and of course, safety. Now, the CSLB exam is two parts, 115 questions covering the law and business and 115 questions covering the landscaping. It's a multiple choice exam that's going to be closed book, and you'll get 3 hours to complete each section. Now, it is computerized, and you will take it physically at the CSLB testing facility. So if you're applying from out of state, just know that you will need to come to California to physically take the exam. Now, we've got a free guide that you'll see appear in the top right-hand corner. It breaks down pretty much everything that you need to know from beginning to end in terms of requirements, the application, the classifications, requirements for journeyman, etc. I would suggest that you check that out. It'll pretty much answer all the questions that you need to know with regards to requirements. Now, the landscaping specialty portion of the exam, it's very important to remember that in California, to get a contractor license, you've got to be a journeyman. So the landscaping portion of the test is going to draw from a variety of different landscaping trade fundamentals, including plant classifications and names, common ornamental plants. You'll want to be prepared to answer questions covering plant diseases, insects and pests, different types of fertilizers, acid-alkali soils, sprinkler systems and water conservation. There'll be questions covering carpentry, concrete and masonry, electrical and lighting, surveying, and as with all contractor licenses, California health and safety is going to be a huge portion of the exam. Now, the mathematics that you can expect to see on the landscaping test is going to be, converting feet to decimals. You'll want to know your units of measurement, obviously your applied math, so your addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, etc. You'll want to be familiar with hydraulics, ratios, and architecture scale to a certain degree. Some of the electrical questions will draw from Ohm's law and Watt's law, so mathematics is definitely going to be something that you'll want to review beforehand. Now, when you go online and you search contractor license, you'll see a bunch of ads saying contractor license school. You'll see this term over and over again. And it's important to really remember that, a contractor license school can only really teach you the law and business. This is a journeyman level exam. You've got to know your trade. So, you're going to really want to be looking for something that's going to be breaking down, the trade specific fundamentals that you'll need to know and present to you the possible questions that you can expect to see. Obviously health and safety codes, as I said, are going to be huge. California is really big on safety, water conservation, different, regulations for employment, just a lot of different areas like that California really takes seriously. So you want to make sure that you're prepared to answer questions about employment law, workers' rights, health and safety, OSHA, Cal-OSHA, etc. Now, of course, you'll want to have your fundamental math skills. So you want to make sure that you have the equations and the different formulas you can expect to see. You'll want to have some test taking experience too. So online practice tests with flashcards are a great resource. And not only practice tests and questions, but also explanations to answers are extremely helpful. And you'll want to have walkthroughs with the exam with licensed contractors and lawyers, breaking down everything that you need to know, not only passing the test, but information on how to really run a profitable construction contracting business. I just really want to thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Drop us a comment, like and subscribe to the channel. We've got complete courses breaking down everything that you need to know to pass the C-27 license exam. We've got blueprint reading courses, trade skills classes, and a lot more. Feel free to check out our website, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Again, this is Zach from digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.